Alright, I'll explain lab number 5 today as requested by one student. So we have to open Jupyter Notebook. And this is Jupyter Notebook. You have to click New, you have to click Python 3. Then let me rename Untitled as lab number 5. And let me write the question. Lab number 5 is lab number 5. Write a Python program to sort list of unsorted 10 numbers using bubble sort. Okay, this is the program. Let me click Markdown and let me press Run. Then the aim of this lab number 5 is there will be unsorted list of number, and we have to sort it using bubble sort. Suppose the list of number, let me call it as a list, and let me straight away give the number. Let us say 1 1 9 2 8 3 6 5 4, something like this. And this is the list of sorted 10 number. Is it 10 number? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, only 8 numbers. So let us say 99 23. Okay, this is list of 10 numbers, right? We have to sort this list using bubble sort. So before sorting, let us print the original the original list. Okay, original list, the original list of number actually. So that is a list. We can check whether it's working or not. Yes, the original list is printed like this. And then we have to find out the length of that original list. That is the number of items available in that list. And then we have to loop for I in range, and we have to loop up to n, and I need another for loop for j in range, and we have to start from 0. We have to continue up to n minus 1, n minus I minus 1. Okay, and let me explain this. I will start from the first number, and it will go up to n up to 23. That means the list of n number. And before going that, when I become 1, we have to start from j. So the starting index will be 0. This the value 1 is at index 0, and we have to continue up to n minus I minus 1, which means since there are 10 numbers, we are starting with 0 index, and the last will be 9, even though it is 10 number. If you start from 0, it is 0 to 9. So because of that, we have to multiply, we have to minus 1. That means if n is 10, n minus 1 will be 9. So that's correct. So the next thing is we want to loop only up to 0. Initially j will become, suppose if j is 0, n minus 0 minus 1 will be 9. So we can repeat up to 9. Next time I will be increased to 1. That means n minus 1 will be n minus 2, and 10 minus 2 will be 8. So we'll repeat up to 8. And next time 7, next time 5, next time 6, next time 3, like that. When we reach index 0, that means the loop will stop. That is how the loop is going on. So while going on in that loop, we have to compare the list. Okay, the first list Z, we have to compare, is it J? So Z is 0 initially, so 0 means the number which is available in 0 position is 1. So we have to compare 1 with a list J plus 1. Okay, that means this line is comparing 1 and 9. It is comparing, is it 1 is greater than 9? If it is greater, there should be exchange. Since it is not greater, there will not be exchange. Next time J will become 1, and the number which is available in 1 position is 9. 1 plus 1 will be 2, and the number which is available in index 2 is 2. So it will compare this. Is it 9 is greater than 2? Yeah, this time it is correct. So when it is correct, what we have to do is J, index of J should be equal to J plus 1, index of J plus 1. Okay, let me finish typing as J, index of J plus 1, and index of J. Let me explain this line. So this line means that J will become J plus 1. The value which is available in J plus 1 will be assigned to J, and the value which is available in J plus 1 will be assigned to J again. So that means they will exchange. So this will sort the list of number, and I hope if we print the sorted list, it will be sorted correctly if our program is alright. Then let us run. Yeah, as you can see, this is the original number which is not sorted, and this one is the sorted number, and the code is very short and very easy to understand. I hope you understand. Thank you.